Students, today is 26th March and I am going to take class 10 biological science. In our previous online class, we have discussed 2 marks questions and I hope you all are perfect with those answers. Now let's have a look on 4 mark questions. And the first question is, if you have a chance to meet pulmonologist, what questions you are going to ask about pulmonary respiration? Before framing the questions, you need to understand who is called as pulmonologist. Pulmonologist is a doctor who diagnoses and treats diseases of the respiratory system, the lungs, and other organs that help you in breathing. The answer for the question is, if I have a chance to meet pulmonologist, I would like to ask the following questions. Question number 1, what is the cause for lung cancer? Question number 2, what is asthma? Question number 3, how can asthma be cured? Question number 4, what is tuberculosis? Question number 5, what is pneumonia? How is it caused? Question number 6, how can we protect from lung diseases? While framing the questions, you need to remember to keep question marks while writing the question and end it with question mark. Question number 2, write the flowchart about the steps involved in blood coagulation process. Let's have a look on the flowchart and the picture. When blood flows out from the injuries, the blood platelets release an enzyme called as thrombokinase, which is a clotting factor. Now, thrombokinase acts on prothrombin present in the blood and convert it into thrombin. Thrombin acts on another substance called fibrinogen that is present in dissolved state, converting it into insoluble fibrin. The blood cells entangle in the fibrin fibers, forming the clot. The fibrin fibers are attached to the edges of the wound and pull them together. In this picture, you can observe clearly how the blood cells are entangled by the fibrin fibers to form a clot. Question number 3. Why is the nephron considered to be the structural and functional unit of kidney? Kidneys are made up of millions of cells called as nephrons, and these nephrons are responsible in excreting the waste material which is produced in our body. Nephrons are considered to be the structural and functional unit of the kidney because nephrons' chief function is to regulate the concentration of water and soluble substances like sodium salts by filtering the blood, reabsorbing what is needed and excreting the rest as urine. Nephron eliminates waste from the body, regulates blood pressure, regulates blood volume and controls levels of electrolytes and metabolites and regulates blood pH. Nephrons' functions are vital to life and are regulated by the endocrine system. Proper functioning of nephrons means proper functioning of kidneys. Hence, nephrons are the functional units of kidneys. Question number 4. Draw a neat label diagram of TS of leaf. Observe the given diagram of TS of leaf, which is having upper and lower epidermis covered with cuticle. In between upper and lower epidermis is a palisade parenchyma and spongy parenchyma. In between palisade and spongy parenchyma is a vascular bundle which consists of xylem and phloem, where xylem conducts water and phloem transports food materials. There are a lot of air spaces present in spongy parenchyma, where the oxygen which is produced during photosynthesis is accumulated and it is released into the atmosphere through the stomata. And the stomata is present in the lower epidermis, and there are a number of stomata present in lower epidermis. Stomata is guarded by the guard cells. The homework for today's class is write the given 4 mark questions and answers in your notebook and by heart them. And draw and practice a neat label diagram of TS of leaf.